Hello everyone, today we'll be going through Cambridge O-Level Mathematics Syllabus D Paper 1 402411 October-November 2021. This is a non-calculator paper, so they have clearly mentioned that you cannot use calculator for this. Calculators must not be used in this paper. So let us start with this one. For question number 1, part A, work out this fraction we have to simplify. So what we can do, we can equalize the denominators. So 1 by 4 will be multiplied and divided by 2, and this will be 7 over 8 minus this will be 2 over 8, which is equal to 5 by 8, and this will be our final answer, and this is 1 mark question. Now for the second part, B part, we have to work out this and 0.08 we have to multiply by 0.2 and ignore the decimal and just multiply the numbers. So 2 8s are 16. Now we can count the numbers on the right. On the right of the decimal are 2 and 1, 3 digits. So we will count from this side, from right side, 1 2 and 3. So we'll put 0 for the third one, and our final answer will be 0.016. 0.016. This will be our final answer, 0.016, and this is 1 mark question. Hopefully you understood this. Then write these numbers in order of size, starting with the smallest one, and 3 by 4 is basically 0.75. we can convert into decimal 0.75, and this will be 0.83. this is already in decimal, and this one we can write 17 divided by 2 we can change into 100, so multiply by 10, so it will be 170 over 100. So it means it is 170 over 200, not 100. Or we can write it as half of 170 will be what, 2 8s are 16 and 2 5s are 10, so 85 over 100, and this will be 0.85. so we can write this as 0.85, this one, and 82% will be 82 over 100, which we can write it as a 0.82, and this is already 0.8. so now we can arrange. This is the smallest one, which is 3 by 4. Then comes 0.8, which is this one, 0.8, and next number is 0.82, which is 82%, so we can write 82%, and next will be 0.83, so 0.83, and the last one is 17 by 20, so 17 by 20, and this was 2 mark question. Hopefully everything is clear. Now we can move to the question number 3, work out 45% of 30. So 45% of 30, this is how we are writing 45% of 30 of in multiplication in math. So this will be we can cancel, so 0 can be cancelled with this, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are, and this will be 27 over 2, which we can write 13.5, and this will be 13.5 will be our answer for 2 marks. Hopefully it's clear. Now the next question, question number 4, A part, shade one more small square. So the diagram has rotational symmetry of order 4. So if we shade this box, then and if we rotate the diagram, it will be having 4 different locations at which it will be having same shape, so we have to shade this. It's only 1 mark question. B part, shade 2 more small squares. So the diagram has 2 lines of symmetry, so 2 more boxes. So 2 lines of symmetry can be 1 line of symmetry. If we want to draw, for example, this line of symmetry and compare both the sides, so we need to shade this box. So I will shade this like this one. We can shade this box, and if we want to draw the line of symmetry on the other side, which is basically this line of symmetry, then if you compare, this box need to be shaded, so we will shade this box as well. And we were supposed to shade 2 boxes to get 2 lines of symmetry, which we have done, and this was 1 mark question. Now question number 5. Question number 5 says simplify this. So algebraic expression we need to simplify. In other words, we have to add the like terms. So 3a plus 2a will be 5a minus a, and this will be equal to 4a, and this will be our final answer for 1 mark. Now question number 6. Question number 6 says ABC is a triangle with AC is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. A part, use ruler and compasses only. Construct triangle ABC. Side AB has been drawn for you. So AB they have drawn. This is A and B. Now we need to draw um, AC, which is 5 centimeter. So we have to place our compass over here at A, and 5 centimeter we have to draw arc. So 5 centimeter, if we draw arc at 5 centimeter, roughly I'm drawing, so 5 centimeter we can draw this one. And BC is 7 centimeter. They are telling us BC is 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter will be like this one. We are keeping for 7 centimeter for BC, we are keeping compass over here. Hopefully you are understanding. So now we have to join these points. If we join this point C with A and B, we will get the triangle, and this is our point C. So AC is 5 centimeter, we can show here, and this is BC, which is 7 centimeter, and this is done. This was 2 mark question. Now for B part, they're saying use a straight edge and compasses only to construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. To construct perpendicular bisector at AB, so we will be taking the straight edge. Straight edge is, you know, the shape of the straight edge is like this one. So we will be keeping this one on this side, so it should be perpendicular bisector of AB and AB. We will take half of AB, the middle point, like for example say it, roughly I'm taking this B point, and this one we will be adjusting, like if I try to adjust this over here, so we can keep like this and draw a line which we can draw like this one. Wait, I have to deselect this first, so it will be here, and then we can deselect and draw the line, and line will be drawn this one. This is the perpendicular bisector of this, and now we can erase this, basically erase this drawing. Oh, I have to basically, okay, so this is done. Now we have drawn the perpendicular bisector. After drawing the perpendicular bisector, they are saying a point W lies inside the triangle ABC. The point W is closer to A than B. On the your diagram shade the region in which W lies. So the region which we need to shade is this whole region because it is closer to a um, than B. So we will be shading this portion. This whole portion will be shaded. It can be anywhere in this region. So this will be the area which we need to shade. Hopefully you understood this. Now next question number 7, they are saying evaluate. So anything raised to the power we know is equal to 1, so we can write answer as 1. This is 1 mark question. Then simplify. To simplify this, we know that the bases are same and they are being multiplied, their powers will be added, so we can write m raised to 3 plus 5, so this will be equal to m raised to the power 8. So answer will be m raised to the power 8. This is 1 mark question. Now question number 8, a part, write this in kilometers. The 6300 in meters we have to convert into kilometers. So we will divide by the conversion ratio, which is 1000. There are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer, so this will be kilometers. Now we can cancel these two zeros with this one, and 63 over 10 means what? 63 over 10 kilometer means 6.3 kilometers, and this one we can write 6.3 kilometers is already there. 1 mark question. Now convert 1 centimeter square to millimeter square. So in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters, so this is 1 centimeter square. The easiest way to solve these type of unit conversion questions is that write this centimeter square like this one, centimeter into centimeter. Now this is the task, we have to convert this into millimeter square. So each millimeter, each centimeter will convert into millimeters, so we will multiply by 10, and now this is converted into millimeter. To convert this also into millimeter, we will multiply once again by 10, and now this is also converted into millimeters. Now what we can do, we can multiply this. 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 1 will be again 100, so 100 millimeter into millimeters, and finally we can write 100 millimeters square, and this will be our answer, which we can provide over here. This 1 mark question, explanation is just for your understanding. Now question number 9, the interior angle of a regular polygon is 156. Find the number of sides of the regular polygon. So we can understand it easily like this one. So interior angle of a polygon is 156. Say for example this is 156 degrees, so exterior angle will be how much? Exterior, if we extend this exterior angle will be 180 minus 156, which will be 24. Now we can divide, we know that the exterior angles of a polygon are adding up to 360, so we will divide 360 by 24, and this will be equal to 6 fours are 24 and 6 6 are 36, 0, and then 4 ones are 4 and 4 15s are 60, so it will be 15 sides. We can write here 15 sides. This is 2 mark question. Now question number 10, a triangle has one angle of 55. The other two angles in a triangle are in ratio of 3:2. Now calculate the size of the smallest angle in the triangle. So if we rough sketch a triangle, like for example this one, say this is the triangle which we have roughly sketched, and say this angle is 55 degrees, and the other one is, if one is, for example by this ratio, if one angle is 2x, the other one will be 3x, so we will take this one as 2x and this one as 3x by that ratio. Now we know that the interior angles of a triangle are adding up to 180 degrees. So we can write 2x plus 3x plus 55 is equal to 180 degree. Now this is the equation which we formed. Now we can solve this. So adding like terms, 5x plus 55 is equal to 180 degrees. So 5x is equal to 180 degrees minus 55 degrees. 180 minus 55 will be equal to 125 degrees. So 5x is equal to this. X will be equal to 125 over 5, so which is equal to basically this will be 25. And if x is 25, they are saying calculate the size of the smallest angle, and smallest angle is this one, so which we can write 2 into 2x will be equal to 2 into 25, which is equal to 50. So 50 degrees will be our final answer for 3 marks. Now we can move to the next question, number 11. Question 11 says, by writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of this one. One significant figure will be for 58.20 we can write 60, and for 32.5 we will be writing 30, and 0.126 we will write 0.1, and this will be 31s are 30, 32s are 60, so 2 over 0.1. And we can, to get rid of the decimal in denominator, we will multiply by 10 and this will be gone, so it will be 20. So answer will be 20, which we can write over here. Hopefully you understood this. Now question number 12 is simultaneous equation, and we have to show complete working. There are two equations given. To equalize the coefficient, we will multiply the first equation by 3 and we will get the second equation will be 2 3s are 6. I'm writing here second equation minus 3y is equal to 36. Now we can change sign. No need to change sign because they are already having opposite sign. So 3y minus 3y will be cancelled, and this will be 7x plus 6x will be 13. X is equal to 29 plus 36 will be 65. So x will be equal to 65 over 13, which is equal to 5. So x value is 5, which we can provide over here. For y value, we will use any of the original equations and we will replace x is equal to 5. In that one, I am using the first equation. 2x minus y is equal to 12. So 2 into 5 minus y is equal to 12. So y will be equal to 10 minus 12, which is equal to y is equal to minus 2. So answer will be minus 2 for 3 marks. Now question number 13. Question 13 is transformation. The diagram shows triangle A and triangle B. These two triangles are drawn. Then A part, describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. A onto B. If we check this vertex, we are checking and we'll have to check for this transformation. So first we will be checking the X transformation. So it is shifting to the left 1 2 3 4 and 5 units. So minus 5 this side x value, and 1 2 3 and 4 units up, so 4 will be plus. So our transformation will be minus 5 and 4, and this will be our matrix of transformation. So I'm erasing this working which I have explained so that you can understand this. I will write here minus. So it is basically translation because changing location by we can write minus 5 and 4, and this will be minus 5 units left, and yes, so it's correct. It's 2 marks question. Now B part, triangle A is mapped onto triangle C by an enlargement center 0, -1 and scale factor to draw triangle C. So scale factor is 2 and we have to draw the triangle, and 0, -1 is the center of 0, -1. If we identify 0, -1 is this point, and we have to enlarge this triangle A, so we can draw one line will be this one from the center of enlargement, and the second line touching to the vertex and passing through the center of enlargement will be this one, and the third line which is passing to the third vertex of the triangle and the center of enlargement is this one. Now we have to check for scale factor 2, so it will be 4 units. So if we check, this is 1 and 2, so it can be 1, 2, 3 and 4 units. So this is the second point which we found, and this will be the first point, and this will be the third. So we can draw the triangle. This will be our enlarged triangle, and we can draw this properly, and this is basically our enlarged triangle, and we have to label it as C. So this is done. And next, question number 14, A part. Express 60 as the product of its prime factors. So 60 can be 2 into by factorization by 3 method. So this will be 2 and 15 and then 3 and 5. So we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 into 5. So these will be the factors, basically product of these prime factors. Now B part says a school buys packs of pens and packs of rulers. There are 60 pens in each pack of pens, and there are 42 rulers in each pack of rulers. The school wants to buy exactly the same number of pens and rulers. Work out the smallest number of each pack the school should buy. So we'll have to check for basically the greatest highest common least common multiple. That will be 4. Basically we can check it for if we check the um, factors, prime factors of 60 are what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which we have done in part B, part A, and 42 prime factors of 42 will be 2 into 3 into 7, and now we can basically identify 7. If we are taking 7 7 packets of pen and 42 packets of rulers, basically 10 packets of rulers. So 7 is containing basically each one is containing 60. So 7 into 60 will be equal to 420, and similarly this will be, each is containing 42, so this will also be 420. So we can say that 7 uh, pen packs and 10 will be ruler packs, this one, and this will be 3-mark question. Hopefully you understood this. Now question number 15, we can go through question number 15. A point A has position vector, this one, and AB is also given. Find the coordinates of B, and A is what? A is basically 3 and -7, and B, we can take B as X and Y because we don't have B. From A and B we can record AB. So AB will be equal to x minus 3 and y minus minus 7. So this will be, and this is given equal to minus 5 and 12. So we can write minus 5 and 12, and we can equate them. X minus 3 is equal to minus 5. This implies x is equal to minus 5 plus 3, which is equal to minus 2. So x value is minus 2, and y minus minus 7 is equal to 12. So it means y is equal to 12 minus 7, which is equal to 5. So we can provide answer this one, minus 2 and 5 for 2 marks. Now they are saying find AB mod. We have AB, which is minus 5 and 12, so we can find the AB mod. AB mod will be equal to square root of minus 5 squared and plus 12 squared, and this will be equal to minus 5 square will be 25, and this will be 12 square will be 144 square root, and it is equal to 169 under root, which is equal to 13. So our answer will be 13 for 2 marks. Now question number 16. Question number 16 says a four-sided spinner numbered 1 to 4 is spun many times. The table shows the results of the spins. So the mean of the result is 3. Calculate the value of P. This value of P we need to find. So for calculation of mean, we will multiply number by the frequency. So it will be 1 into 6 plus 2 into 5. We can put brackets, and plus 3 into 13 plus 4 into P, and this will be divided by the sum of frequencies, and sum of frequencies we will add all these, so it will be 6 plus 5 plus 13 plus P, and this is equal to 3, which is given in the question. So we'll write here 3. Now we can simplify to find the value of P. So we will multiply 6 into 1 will be 6, plus 2 into 10 will be 10, 2 into 5 will be 10, plus 3 into 13 will be 39, and plus 4P divided by 6 plus 5 will be 11, 11 plus 13 will be 24. So 24 plus P, and this is equal to 3. So this implies we can basically add these. 6 plus 10 will be 16, and 16 plus 39 will be 55. So 55 plus 4P is equal to 3 into 24 plus P. We have shifted this portion to the other side, and it will go as numerator. So 4P is equal to 24 into 3 will be 72 plus 3P minus 55. We are sending to the other side, and 4P minus 3P will be equal to 72 minus 55, and this implies P is equal to 17. So answer will be P is equal to 17 for 3-mark question. Hopefully you understood this. Now P part, find the relative frequency of the spinner landing on 2. So frequency landing on 2 is 5, and P value we got 17. So total of all these frequencies will be 41. So 5 out of 41, this will be the probability, or relative frequency. Basically 5 over 41 will be the relative frequency. 1-mark question. Now question number 17, we have to factorize this algebraic expression. We can rewrite it as 2b squared minus c squared like this, and the formula which we can use is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b, and applying this formula we will get our a is 2b, so 2b plus c and 2b minus c, this will be the answer which we can provide over here at the proper place, and to be minus C. One more question. B part, factorize this. We have to factorize, so we can make pair, so it will be x squared minus x plus 6x minus 6. So we can make this pair, x common from the first pair, so x minus 1 and plus 6 common from the second pair, so x minus 1, and this will be x minus 1 into x plus 6. This will be the final answer, so x minus 1 into x plus 6. This is 2 more question. Now question number 18. Question 18 says the region R is defined by these inequalities. 3 inequalities are provided, and we have to find and label the region R, and this is 4 mark question. So we will be identifying, first one is in between, x is in between 1 and 5. So we can draw x is equal to, because this is greater than equal to, so it will be solid line, and 5 also, this will also be solid line. So this is for the first inequality, which is x is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 5. Y is greater than equal to 0, which is y is equal to 0 will be x-axis. This line I'm drawing for your understanding, and then less than equal to 4. So we can draw this line, this will be less than equal to 4, and then this second one is also done. Third one is y is greater than equal to, y is equal to, if we rewrite this as minus x plus 3, so y-intercept is 3. It means it is passing through this point, and minus 1 is the gradient, so m value is minus 1. So 1 unit down, 1 unit from this 3 point, we can go 1 unit down and 1 unit right. So our point will be this one. We can draw this point by the help of gradient. We can find this, so this will be our line, and we have to shade, we have to write this. They are saying find and label region R, so this will be the region R. I'm shading for your understanding, which is not required in question, so you have to just write R, and this shading I'm just doing for your understanding and explanation. You will not be shading in exam. So this is basically the region R which we have identified. Hopefully you are understanding each and everything, and this is done. Now we can move to the next question. Next question is question number 19. Question number 19 says a part universal set is given, x is given, y is given. We have to find x intersection y. X intersection is y, x intersection y is whatever common in both. If we check, this 2 is common in both, 3 is also common in both, and 5 is common in both. So these 3 are common in both, so we can write x intersection y is equal to 2, 3 and 5. This will be our answer with the separator comma. So 1 more question. Now second part, a number k is chosen at random from the universal set. Find the probability that k does not belong to x union y. So if we write x union y, x union y will be what? X union y will be uniting or combining the members of x and y. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 11. So these will be the members of x union y. Now k is not member of x union y. So those will be which numbers? That will be 8, 9. If we check the universal set, it will be 8, 9, 10 and 12. So 4 members. So we'll write 4 out of 12. So this will be our final answer, 4 out of 12 for this mark. This is 1 mark question. Now on the Venn diagram, shade the set A intersection B union C complement. B union C is what? B union C is this whole region B and C. But the complement will be outside. Outside region is which one? Outside region of B union C will be this outer whole region will be outside this one. This is B union C complement. This portion we have done this. Now they are saying A intersection intersection this one. So A intersection, when we will take, that will be only this portion. So I will reshade everything, and that will be the answer for this question, will be shading only this part. Hopefully you understood this Venn diagram. Also for Venn diagram you need to practice a little so that you can understand it properly. This is basically 1 mark question which we have done. Now question number 20, it says these are the first 5 terms of a sequence. So first 5 terms they have provided, find the next number in the sequence. So if we check the difference is 4, adding 4 plus 4, then plus 8, then plus 16, plus 32. Next term will be plus 64. So 64 plus 64 will be 128. So our answer will be 128 for 1 mark question. Now they are saying the nth term of the sequence above is, they have provided nth term of the sequence for us. Now write down the expression in terms of n for the nth term of this sequence. So nth term will be what? If we compare these two sequences, we can write this as first term, and first term will be 4 minus 1, which will be 3, and second term minus second term will be 8 minus 5, which is again 3. So whatever term we are choosing, third term will be 16 minus 3, which is 13, which is also 3. So there is a difference of 3 between these two sequences. So 2 raised to n plus 1 is basically the term which is the nth term of this A part sequence. So if we subtract 3, we will get nth term of the sequence provided here. So we can write nth term will be 2 raised for n plus 1 minus 3. This will be the final answer for 1 mark question. Hopefully you understood this. Now they're saying this one, this is the second term. So by using the same thing, like for example, if we check the difference, this will be 9, then 13, then 21 and 37, and difference of the difference is 4, 8 and 16. So 4, 8 and 16 is same sequence which we have here in part A, for which we have this 2 raised by n plus 1. So 2 raised to the power n plus 1, and the rest we can check basically if we want, like if we are writing this n is equal to 1, it will be 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4. So it will be 6 will be the difference between this term and this and what we are getting from here. So we have to add, like if we take 5n plus 1, if we take this one, if we replace n is equal to 1, we will be getting 6 plus this will be n raised to 1 will be 4. 4 plus 5 plus 1, which is 9 plus 1 will be 10. So it will be, this formula will be working for all of the terms. So we can write 2 raised by n plus 1 plus 5n plus 1. This will be the 2 marks answer. Now functions question number 21. Find f inverse of x. So find f of minus 1. So f of minus 1, we will replace x by minus 1. So 2 minus minus 1. So this will be 6 over 2 plus 1, which is 6 over 3, which can be cancelled as 2. So answer will be 2 over here. And this is 1 mark question. Now they're saying find f inverse of x. So we can write f of x as y. So y is equal to 6 over 2 minus x. We have to make x a subject for for inverse. So we will be shifting 2 minus x to this side and 6 over y. Now we can rewrite it as x is equal to 2 minus 6 over y, or we can write this as 2y minus 6 over y. So now we can swap it. F inverse of x will be equal to 2x minus 6 over x. So this will be our final answer for 3 mark question. C part, they're saying f of t is equal to f of 5t plus 2. Find the value of t. So we will write first f of t. F of t is equal to 6 over 2 minus x, which is replaced by t. So this will be our f of t. And now we can write f of 5t plus 2. 5t plus 2. Okay, so this will be equal to 6 over 2 minus 5t plus 2 in brackets, and further we can write 6 over, this will be 2 minus 5t minus 2, and plus 2 and minus 2 will be cancelled, and our equation will become 6 over minus 5t. And now by this equation we can write 6 over 2 minus t is equal to 6 over minus 5t. By cross multiplication we can write 12 minus 6t is equal to minus 30t. Cross multiplication like this. So 30t we can shift to this side, and minus 6t is equal to 12. So 30 minus 6 will be 24t. So 24t is equal to 12, and t is equal to, this 12 will be minus 12 because we are shifting 12 to the other side. So it will be minus 12. So it will be minus 12 over 24, which we can write as minus 1 by 2. So t value will be minus 1 by 2. This is 3 mark question which we have done. Now we can move to the question number 22, which is a diagram, and this diagram is not to scale. ACD and BCE. ACD and BCE. BCE are straight lines. Basically ACD, not this one. ACD is this one. So this is straight line, and this is also straight line. This is the information they have provided. AB is parallel to ED. So AB, this one is parallel to this one. So this is the information which they have provided in these two lines. And A part, prove that the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEC. Give your reason for each statement. So I will erase this shading, and now we can understand this. These two angles, which two angles? Basically this angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angles. So we can write angle ECD is equal to angle ACD, and this is vertically opposite angles this is what the reason we have provided for this, and this angle will be equal to this angle, means ABC, angle ABC will be equal to angle BED, angle BED, and this will be alternate angles. Then this angle, which is BAC, angle BAC will be equal to angle CDE, and this is also alternate angles. So this is also done, and basically we have provided this answer which we were supposed to write over here, and this is what we have done. Hopefully you understood this. This was 3-mark question. Now for B part, AB is equal to 6 centimeter and ED is equal to 2 centimeter. The area of the triangle is 45 centimeter. A triangle ABC. ABC. Okay, so this triangle is having area of 45 centimeter square. Now calculate the area of the triangle DEC. So K factor, which is ratio, which we can check by 6, this one and this one, so 2 over 6, this will be equal to 1 by 3, which is length ratio, and K square will be equal to 1 by 3 square, which we are using for area. So this will be 1 over 9. To find area of the smaller triangle, we will be multiplying. So area of triangle DEC will be equal to 1 by 9 into 45. So this will be cancelled. 9 5s are 45. So area will be equal to 5 centimeters square. So we can write 5 centimeters square is already there. So 2-mark question which we are done. Now question number 23, we need to expand and simplify this expression. We need to expand and simplify. So we can multiply x with x, and this will give us x squared. So x squared minus x into 2 will be 2x, and this will be plus 5 into x will be plus 5x, and next we can multiply 5 with minus 2, so minus 10. This will be the expansion. Now we can add the like terms. X squared minus 2x plus 5x will be plus 3x minus 10. So this will be our final answer for this 2-mark question. And now we have to write this B part right as a single fraction, simplest form. So the easiest way to solve these type of questions is take a fraction, write these two denominators as LCM, x minus 4 and x plus 5. And now what you will be doing, you will be taking this numerator and this denominator and write here 3 into x plus 5 and copy this middle sign, which is plus in this case, so I'm writing plus, and after that write this numerator and this denominator 2 into x minus 4. Now we have to open the brackets and add the like terms. So opening brackets of the numerator only, so it will be 3x plus 15 and plus 2x minus 8, and divided by this will be x minus 4 into x plus 5. And now we can add the like terms. 3x plus 2x will be 5x, and 15 plus 15 minus 8 will be plus 7, and divided by x minus 4 into x plus 5. So further simplification is not possible, so this will be our simplest final answer which we can provide over here at the proper location. And this is 3-mark question which we are done with. Now 24 is a part. This a is given, we have to find a square. So a square means what? A into a, so we can take minus 6 2 1 4 into again minus 6 2 and 1 4. Now we will be multiplying first row with first column. So first row with first column, this will be resulting to minus 6 into minus 6 will be 36, and plus 2 into 1 will be 2, so plus 2, and the second term will be first row second column, so it will be minus 6 into 2 will be minus 12, and 2 into 4 will be 8, so plus 8, and then second row and first column, so it will be minus 6 and plus 4, and the second row second column will be 1 into 2 will be 2, plus 4 into 4 will be 16, and this will be resulting to 38. 36 plus 2 will be 38, minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2, and minus 12 plus 8 will be minus 4, and 2 plus 16 will be 18. So we can write answer over here, which is the proper place. So 2 mark question which is done. Now b is given, we need to find what? We need to find mod of b is equal to 2. Find the x value. So mod of b is, we are multiplying this with this, so x into minus 3 and minus 2 into minus 5, and we know this is equal to minus 2, so we'll open the bracket, so minus 3x and plus 10 is equal to minus 2, so 3x we can shift to other side, so 3x is equal to 10 plus 2, which is equal to 12, so x is equal to 12 over 3, which we can write as 4, so x is equal to 4 is final answer for this question, which is a 2 mark question. We are done with the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything. If you like to get more videos of this type, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos, and recommend this channel to your friends and classmates. Also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.